Alright, so I'm gonna not work on the project today because I really don't feel like it. But instead, we're gonna work on the community project, right? So right now, or this is what I did yesterday, or all this is what I did yesterday. So basically my objective right now is I need to take from a file, take the first whatever percentage of it, and then okay, so I need to take the first whatever percentage of it, and then I need to take or sample a certain amount of frames from it. So first of all, what I need to do is convert this from seconds to a percentage of it because right now I'm just raw inputting the seconds. But I also need to get the sampling working. So I want to work on the sampling first, and then um, and then work on getting the oh my gosh, my brain, and then work on getting the duration right. So what I'm thinking about doing is actually don't think I need this, but what I'm thinking about doing is just combining these two lines because I think I can. It'll just be one really long thing though. But I do need this. I think it was working yesterday, but let me double check. Scene spawner. And then we're going to run this, use that, 10 seconds. So we are looking for test. Yeah, so this is the exact format that I need it into, because we'll pass this resolution straight into, actually, let me undo this. So we're going to pass that straight into, where is it? Am I on? There it is. Oh my gosh. So this, can I delete? Yes, I can. So we're going to take this and then we're just going to pass in, let's call that resolution. So this, we can go ahead. Wait, oh, let me use the wrong keybind. Delete this, oops. So we're going to say this equals resolution. What did I just do? Whoopsies. Okay, so we're gonna pass this into resolution. And then, so we have a resolution, we have a duration. Okay, so there's two ways to do this, right? We can say, actually, let me work on one thing at a time. Let me just write this down. Convert this into, or allow this to take in a decimal or a percentage value, right? So we can do that, and then okay, I kind of want to, let me try this outside just so I make sure it works. So we'll say FFMPEG, the input of this, and then what was R again? Man, FFMPEG / R. It's not the quality number. Oh, there it is. String specifier is an input option. Ignore any timestamps. Wait, what? An option, ignore. Assuming constant frame rate. This is not. If in doubt, use frame rate instead of the option as an option. Set frame rate. Oh, I still have this up. Okay, cool. I was using this as a reference. What is that -R though? It doesn't say. Defines the frame rate for extracting frames per second. Here we're using a rate of 1 frame per second. Okay, so what is the specification that was needed for this though? And then should be, oops, my thing. Should be, it took me all the way, oh my gosh. CN spotter, and then issues, and this one. So we need to take the first X% of the movie, and then, okay, so it wasn't specified. So not every frame is captured, but loose enough. So let's say, per second. So what if we just have, because this will, well, this would also depend on what frame rate our footage is, right? So if we're using a YouTube video, then it'll likely be 60 FPS. But if it's a movie, then it's likely to be 24. So I think that needs to be a ratio of, yeah, because if it's 24 FPS, you have a bigger time span between 2 frames. Yeah, because if you're sampling, let's say 10 frames a second, you get 60 frames per second. So that's, you're sampling every 1/6 of a second. But if you do that for 24, that is 10/24, which is 5/12. Yeah. So let's say, I don't know how I want to do this. So we could use a constant value for now just to make sure it's working, but let's do like 5 frames a second. But say that our option frames sampled per second needs to be a ratio depending, oh my gosh, depending on the frame rate of the input source, right? So given that, we also need to set the quality. Because, like, the thing I don't want to do is have a bunch of options that needs to be passed in. So for now, we can just say that this is 1. Actually, I should have copied this. Oh, you know what I could do? Oops. Let me go to here, yeah. And then we're gonna go down, copy this, and then go back to the top, quit this, and then, oops. Oh my gosh, comment this out. So we have that. So this call number can be deleted now. Delete between those. So the number of frames you want to extract will be, so this is just the frame rate. Because you only want to go to the end of it. So this would be, so you're given total number of frames. Oh, all this is the duration. Wait, no, not the duration. The amount of seconds times the times the frame rate. Right? So let's just define frame rate. Let's just say this is the current constants. And then we'll say frame rate equals 5. And we go down here, and then we want to go to 5. Ooh. And then this will be frame rate. So no such file or directory. Line 43. Did we successfully do the rest of it though? Okay, I kind of want this to be quiet. What is it that's opening all of this? Is it this? Did I forget that? Nope. Well, maybe, but let me go. It's probably these FFMPEG stuff. Oh wait, this should be like that. But also let me wait. I already have this up. log level error. Log level, no underscore, right? Yeah. Log level error. Well, that's not what I wanted, but so on line 29, we have an error of some sort. We're expecting something. I should be running it over here so I can keep this up. So on line 29, column 10, it expects something. Let me see if statement in bash. Just need to see a quick example. Make sure I'm. Is it that I don't need this? No. Oops. Did I open it? Oh, okay. So it's SGT. Does it have to be a constant afterwards? No, right? For arithmetic evaluations. Okay. There we go. So time is too large, but that's shouldn't be the case. So let me, oops. So let me echo the amount of seconds and, that's not right. Seconds and this should be duration. All right, we're cool. Especially at error time. Line 30. All right, where was that? So 10 is greater than token is it because it's not, oh, it has a space at the end. Do I even need to convert to a string? I don't think so, right? Oh wait, no. in bash, you can perform the converting from anything to, because you're using print v. Write the formatted arguments to the standard output. Under the causes the output to be assigned to the variable r, rather than being printed out to the standard output. Okay, I get you. So it gets printed into, wait, right, the assigned to the variable var. Okay, so we're assigning to, oops. We're assigning to the one after v. So we need to convert duration to an integer. Wait, can I? Oh my gosh, this current. So we want duration. So we printf dash v duration, right? And then anything from anything to integer. Why do you need the new line though? %d new line. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Why this last part though? I guess errors. No. What are the? And then format. So if I just ignore that and then do this and add this, and then I echo duration and exit here, what does that give me? Syntax error near expected token. P. Oh, is there not supposed to be parentheses? Oops, I didn't save it. Invalid number. Why? Oh, I didn't even do this right, so to do better. But ew, that needs to be in quotes. Okay, there we go. So it gave me 25 anyway. Okay. So it doesn't round up. Can you round a number? Round number in. So if I wanted to round it, I would first okay, I see. This is the number, and then this is the amount of decimals I want at the end. So we would first resolution. We use another printf. It is percent dot f, and then it's star f with a new line, and then this is the amount I want, right? Oh wait, they use single quotes. Oh, I'm gonna use single quotes too. Right, and then it's the actual number. So I believe that this needs to be, but I want to put this in a variable. So duration. Oops. And then what? Oh, there's multiple in here. Okay. Whatever. And then that will put that in duration. And then if I want to convert it to an integer, bro, okay, I'll do it manually, fine. Oh wait, I could just delete to the end of the line. Delete score. And then we say duration, and that will put that back in duration, but it'll give me an integer. Uh-oh. 27. Invalid number, yeah. Okay. So let me print it here and make sure I did this one right. No, I did not, because I typed F twice. Wait, no, this is supposed to be F, I think. Okay, so we get 26, which is good. And then I want this to be an integer. Why is it an invalid number? Oh, but it still gave me the right number. So I guess that's why they're piping it to, wait, which one did I have it in? Yeah, I think it was this one. Yeah, so they put it to wherever. And then that should get rid of that error message. But now why is it 0? Because I'm not bugging, it was working before, right? Oops. Okay. Wait. It's test ls. So we run scenic spot, and it'll give me the number. But if can I pipe the output? Wait, what happens if you do like pipe ls? Pipe output. Wait, no. Is there a way to just like using printf? What if I just don't want output? Zero on success, non-zero on failure. So what am I getting right now? And this is 27. Yeah, right. Oh, well, this isn't right. Yeah, so it is coming from there. Get rid of output from. Okay, so it is pipe it to dev/null. What if I, so I probably just need to pipe everything there. No, wait, it's pipe it to dev/null, right? I think I'm right, so I'm just gonna run it. No, I was not right. Oh, printf is 26. Okay, why? Silence non-error input to by default. So I guess it is error. Okay. Maybe it's because I didn't separate it, because I'm pretty sure I did that before. Oh, well. Oh, well. I'm gonna separate it anyway. Okay. So now we have the duration, and it should not scream at me anymore. It does anyway. It's greater than 26. All right. Why is this a problem? Can I just run it like this? Oh wait, let me write it in one line. Then echo 1, else echo 0, fine. So error token is 10. What does that mean? Do I need to get rid of this? Error token is blah blah blah. But these are integers, no? I don't think that'll show up anything, but okay. Because I gotta be missing something. If condition. Oh wait, let me put this back to this and see if it works. Oops. Actually, I could test it here. Is it because of this? There we go. Okay. So it's because I didn't do this. So we should be fine now, because both of these are integers. Or should be, I should say. Boom. Okay, so if I put in a time very large, right, like that, time too large, and then it'll exit, okay. So we got that working. Actually, don't need those. So what was the issue? Line 44, no such file directory. 44. Oh, duh. The input file should be file name, frame rate, solution. This should be seconds times frame rate. So how do you... It's just normal, right? Okay, so that's where you use the double parentheses. So in your arithmetic like this. So this will be the amount of seconds times the frame rate. But don't I need... Yeah, you need the $sign. But why do you need... Oh, you do need a $sign. Okay. Wait, no, you don't need the quotes. That's what I was looking at. 44... See tag. Maybe this? Awesome. So, what do I have to run these? Can I just... This isn't gonna work. Okay. Let me do this. Let's open up Dolphin. And let's check these out. Where's my, so we have home, B, and then projects, and then this is scene spotter. This opening GIMP is crazy. All right, let me see if I can do this. So these frames look right. Because let's compare that to the first frame should be, yeah, this quality looks okay, but I'm pretty sure that's my recording and not a actual problem. All right, let's get a test. Oh, so pretty sure it's there. So let's compare these two. Yeah, this quality is about the same. All right. And then, yeah, all these are separate frames. So we have 50 frames. And we did 5 frames per second. The video is 10 seconds. Awesome. So let me delete these, and then let me delete this. And then let's do it from scratch to make sure it's actually working. So we would do scene extractor, this 10 seconds. It will cut it and then do the, oh my gosh, just watch this pull up real time. That's crazy. Oh, that's awesome because it doesn't even do the video. So let's see how large these are. 208, that's not bad at all. That is not bad. And then make sure it's the same quality as before. Yep. All right, so it seems to be working. So now let's do those quality of life changes we were working on before, or thinking about before. Oh, actually, run again. And then, oh shoot, I closed it. Dolphin, please open the same spot. Thank you. Oh, cool. So it, so these, okay, so what we need to do also, okay, let me make a quick to do after I delete all these. All right, so let's make a to-do file. And then let's say, first of all, to-do. And then first they say, what I have up here? Change the seconds specifier to be a decimal or a percentage value. But also we need to take in user input from the command line. And then for a personal note, this is like percent, or no, not %1, #1 to 4 args, right? And then we have, so that's that one. Oh yeah, calculate frame rate. Making or no, rather than making it a user defined constant, it will still be a percentage of the frame time, right? And then what else do we need to do? Wait. Clean this shit up. Okay. Right. Yeah, the resolution, all that. Make sure to add checkers for if. Okay. For if commands ran properly. It's no real error handling besides like really basic stuff. And then what else do we need to do? Generate output file name from the input file name, right? So we also need to get that. So I think we can start with this one because this one seems to be pretty easy, because for this we can just be like I think we can just be like the output. No, this will be, actually, you know what we could do instead? Let's go, and then the output name is just going to be oh wait, let's first of all, and then use PNGs, not JPEGs. Okay. Actually, before I change anything, let's commit this. Make sure I have a backup. Projects, scene spotter. And then commit we had the frame sampling is now working. Well, if I'm going to name it as a view, we should probably change the name. Frame sampling implemented. Push. Okay. So now we can say the output name is going to be because the input name includes okay, so I need to tokenize a string. String, or yeah, tokenize string in Bash. Because I want to get rid of the file extension. String, string tokens equals string. What? Wait, I don't understand what's going on here. So we have isn't it like, wait, no, bin/sh, I think. I don't remember, I always forget. Then we have string, actually let's just copy this. And then go in lock mode, delete all that. On plus x test.h test. Okay, well. Wait, why doesn't it actually work? So ifs equals. Huh.
What are you doing? Huh?
Let's remove this. And then you're missing the cut. That's a thing. All right. So, what was I doing? Oh, yes. So, to test this, let's exit here and then say, so you echo the string and pipe that into cut. What does F1 mean though? F1. I don't understand what F1 is. Dash F1. Oh, it's the second token of it. I see. So it'd be dash F. Yeah, okay, yep, I see. So you say, let's echo the output of echo output name, and then we pipe that into cut, and then the delimiter, which is dot, and then we want the first one. Oops, that's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Oops. It's test stat. Okay, cool. So that does cut it properly. So let's say that this output name is going to be it's literally going to be this. right? But oops. Right. But instead of output name, we're gonna take in the file name. And then this is going to be file name. And then the end of that, and then we're gonna change this to PNG. And then it's gonna work because I said so. Yes, sir. Okay, so it it didn't delimit shit. Just slapped the whole thing in front. Okay, why didn't that work? Oh, because I used file name and not the one that I actually did work on. Output name. So let's remove anything that starts or that ends with PNG. All right, cool. Oh. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Oops. Let's be more specific with this though. Underscore frame. Underscore. Oh, or let's say frame number that. And then again, let's remove anything in test that begins with, or that ends with PNG. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's not right. Why can't I use a hashtag? Do I need to put this in quotes? Yeah, because that's not even in the right thing. Remove anything that starts with? No, I don't want to do that. Remove. Can I do that? Okay, it still worked. Yeah, it still did the same thing. Do I need to do that? It's still doing it. Hmm. I think that one worked. No, it didn't. Okay, let me try it again to see what that one does. Yeah, that one just still ignores. Okay, wait. Let's be smart here and just do that. And then let's add to the end of this underscore frame number. And then instead here we're going to be like, okay, output name. There we go. Okay, it's kind of ugly, but so maybe instead of doing that, because what if it's a long thing, why don't we just create a directory that has the name and then put the frames in there? I think that's a better idea. But let's check that these PNGs are right, because I don't think I checked PNGs yet. What is it trying to open with? Oh, Firefox. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. So we did this. Oops. And then take user input, change the seconds, calculate frame rate, clean it up. Sure, add checkers. Change this so that it creates a file or a folder in the same directory and just puts the frames in there. Frame names. Frame number. Blah. All right, cool. I think that's good for today, but I'm not going to commit that because I didn't really do anything. So that's looking good. All right, cool.